it's your girl and I am back with another video and the first edition of What's in My Travel Bag, featuring first a beauty. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek into my skincare routine while on the go, so keep up. Now let's take a look what's inside. Ta-da!
Okay guys, so first up we have First Aid Beauty's Pure Skin Face Cleanser, which removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. Now we have First Aid Beauty's Facial Radiance Pads, which help exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. Now we have First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Skin Protectant. Now let's get to work. So first I'm going to dampen my face and dispense a small portion of the cleanser onto my fingertips and massage it into all zones of my face. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be removing with a soft washcloth. In this step, I am gently rubbing the facial radiance pads across my skin to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. In this last step, I'm using a very light amount of Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Skin Protectant, which feels so good on my skin. Thanks for watching.